Here's how to do a pressure switch test. To test a pressure switch, first rotate the dial to PRS or pressure. The analyzer will prompt to zero the pressure reading. Press pump to zero pressure. This can be done at any time to adjust to atmospheric pressure. The pressure scale defaults to the last used setting, and in this case inches of water column. To change measurement units, see Analyzer Setup. Connect pressure tubing to P1. Connect the other end of the pressure tubing in line between the pressure switch and the inducer draft motor using a T-fitting. Start your furnace. Readings will display pressure change. Verify pressure switch turns on as the pressure readings increase at the manufacturer's recommendation.